It's common for people to go through brief periods where they can't fall asleep. It may be difficult to get to sleep and stay asleep until it's time to wake up because of this common condition. Most people, however, require at least 7 hours of sleep per night, and this number can rise as needs change. If your poor sleep patterns are affecting your daily life, you might find relief with a more natural approach. Watch the video to learn how to manage your sleep schedule with the help of meditation, exercise, and other natural cures. Insomnia. Top 5 natural cures for insomnia. Number 1. Practices of mindful awareness or meditation. Mindfulness meditation entails doing nothing more than sitting quietly and breathing gently and steadily. Be aware of the ebb and flow of your breath, body, thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Mindfulness meditation's many health advantages are complementary to a healthy lifestyle that includes regular, restful sleep. Its purported benefits include stress reduction, sharpened mental facilities, and a more robust immune system. You can sit in quiet reflection wherever you like. If you don't have time for a lengthier meditation, try to sit quietly for 15 minutes first thing in the morning or last thing at night. Number 2. Exercise. Exercise is beneficial to health in general. As a result, your mood will lift, your energy levels will increase, your weight will decrease, and you'll get a better night's sleep. Participants in the study exercised for at least 150 minutes per week for a total of 6 months. During this time period, significant improvements in the subjects' insomnia symptoms were seen. Their anxiety and depression symptoms also decreased. To achieve these benefits, you should engage in a moderate physical activity for at least 20 minutes every day. You might do very strenuous cardio or weight training a couple of times each week. Determine when you are most comfortable sleeping, both physically and mentally. Take into account your current physical state and modify your workout routine accordingly. Number 3. Therapeutic touch. Researchers found that therapeutic touch or massage therapy improved sleep quality and decreased daytime functioning in people with insomnia. Potential benefits include the alleviation of pain, stress, and melancholy. Allow your mind to wander to your feelings and experiences when you are touched. Although massage is generally safe, if you have any unique health conditions that would restrict its advantages, talk to your doctor. Number 4. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has been shown to aid sleep as well as reduce pain and improve mood. Use a diffuser or spray some lavender essential oil on your pillow. Lavender tea is still another alternative. Lavender is generally safe for use. Number 5. Lifestyle changes. It's possible that if you make some alterations to your routine, you'll experience a reduction in insomnia. You ought to give these a shot before considering more drastic measures or medical intervention. Here are some options to consider. When trying to get some sleep, stay away from things like alcohol, coffee, and cigarettes. Avoid heavy meals 2 hours before bedtime. Warm up your body and mind with a relaxing soak in a hot tub or shower when the day is done. At least 2 hours before going to bed, you should refrain from using any electronic gadgets. Your bedroom should be a place of rest and relaxation, so try to utilize it just for that purpose and keep it cool and dark. Don't hesitate to go to sleep if you're feeling exhausted. After 20 minutes, if you haven't fallen asleep, you should get out of bed. Should I make an appointment with a doctor soon? If your symptoms persist for more than a few weeks or worsen, you should see a doctor. An underlying health problem may be the cause of chronic insomnia. Some of these are acid reflux, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, chronic pain, a thyroid disorder, heart disease, disorders of the muscles and bones, kidney disease, neurological problems, and breathing problems. The effects of both prescribed and over-the-counter drugs on sleep quality have been documented. If left untreated, insomnia raises the likelihood of developing anxiety, depression, heart failure, excessive blood pressure, and substance dependence. Seeing a doctor can help you determine the root of the issue and the most effective treatment. Bottom line, Improving your sleep quality is one of the many benefits of adopting a healthier lifestyle. In extreme circumstances, it can linger for up to 3 months. If your symptoms have persisted for more than a few weeks, you should see a doctor. It can be helpful to have a plan ready for those nights when you just can't get to sleep. You can get out of bed and do something more productive with your day, go to a different room to unwind, or just try to relax in bed without nodding off. Discover what you can do that is effective. Keeping a sleep journal might help you identify patterns that may be contributing to your insomnia. Write down what you ate and drank before bed, as well as any medications you may be taking. Which of these natural cures for insomnia do you like best? Comment your answer below. For more health tips, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.